What up to my true youngin' gang? Of course, it's your girl Lelee, yours truly, and today I'm going to be pranking Erica. Y'all been asking me to do this. Y'all been begging me to do this, and I couldn't find a good opportunity to do this because y'all know pranks, you have to wait a while. You have to wait so she won't think I'm pranking her. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna make Rocket disappear. I'm finally gonna let Rocket run away. I'm just gonna let her go. Let her go. Erica gonna think that anyways. So Erica upstairs asleep. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Every time she has that little mask on her freaking face, she sleeps on and on and on and on. So I'm gonna go wake her up actually, and I'm gonna be like, baby, Rocket badass and got outside. Oh, I'm not even gonna tell y'all. I'm just gonna let y'all see it. So if you ain't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs this video up for your girl. You know it's early in the morning. I'm all crusty and shit on camera for you guys. Y'all can thumbs this video up because this prank is about to go the fuck down. Okay y'all, so I got the vlogging camera, but I'm about to cut this camera on because this camera literally just sits here, and since I'm already downstairs, she gonna think that I'm probably about to film a haul or something. I'm gonna just turn this light off because that's just too damn obvious. Yeah, that's just too damn obvious. I'm gonna just turn the camera on. The camera gonna be sitting here just like this, so hopefully she don't pay no attention. It don't blink or nothing. But I'm gonna turn that camera on and I'm finna put Rocket in her car. So Rocket don't know it. Come here, little mama. You about to go on a... Come here. Come here. Shit. Damn. Okay, now I just gotta find Erica keys. Cause she going on a field trip. She going on a field trip. Hold up, y'all. I gotta get my key out of here. Okay. Oh, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. Oh shit. Okay. Rocket, you just gotta sit in here for a minute, okay, Stinker Mama? It's new territory. You're just gonna be in here for a second, and you just be lucky I didn't put you in a damn trunk, okay? I'll be back. Well, y'all, I can't be that damn unfit. I gotta crack the damn window. Even though it's cold outside, her ass will be able to breathe. But just for safety reasons, we can crack the window, okay? Okay. My pranks are always extra. Look at her. She gonna be okay, Robbie. Hush. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this door open. I'm gonna keep this door open. We're gonna lock it. Alright y'all, so I don't know how long Rocket done been out there in that car, but I was fighting with this damn camera because for some reason it wanted to freaking blink when I turned it on. But I'm finna turn it on. Okay. Have it facing towards the door. And we're finna get started. Okay, so that camera is on. Everything's set up. Robbie's still looking at the door for his sister. Look. He want her. He want her so bad. Okay. I'm gonna bring y'all upstairs with me. God damn. Hannah. Baby. Rocket ass done got outside following after damn Robbie. My heart beating so damn fast. Baby.
What?
Come on.
Come on, what?
Hold ass and get outside. I'm trying to help you.
Lily, how you trying to help me? You need to
Because
say your ass how the fuck she get outside?
she ran out when I was trying to see about the garbage, but you didn't even get up to take the garbage out this morning like you was supposed to because your ass up here sleeping. But Robbie, you know how he run outside. He ran out fucking side and she ran after him. So I'm trying to get her, you know, he run right back in. I'm trying to get her and she runs, I don't know what the fuck she ran to.
You irking the shit.
Well, I'm not finna show you to her.
Where my flip-flops?
I don't know. That shit pissed me off. Oh, fuck. This like run that fucking track. She outside, you know. I tried to take the big camera out there. Hold up. Baby, what? She probably in the damn woods. Come on. She'll probably come back. You remember that? You remember that time Robbie came back? You was mad. I was mad at you then. I don't know.
Lily, what was the door open for?
I was taking out the garbage. I thought I was finna take out the garbage.
Irking the shit. You thought you was finna take out the garbage. Well, just know that your thoughts got my goddamn cat gone. Fuck it. Oh! I didn't brush my teeth or nothing.
So what you getting mad at me for? Where you going? You let Robbie out. Y'all, she is really out here searching. When should Look. Baby! Baby! Hannah! Let me see. I can't find the damn.
What?
Y'all, I got her ass.
Come on, look a mess. I got cold.
You was back there searching so goddamn hard.
My breath is rocking. Lily,
Oh.
she ain't in your goddamn purse.
No.
Why you put it in the car? What do you want to do? Baby. Baby, come on. Baby. You don't even know who I am anymore. You done put her in the jar. uncle. Caesar. She done got cat hair everywhere. Baby, she don't come outside. She ain't ratchet like Robbie. I know.
Oh, she's scared.
I know, baby. Come on. You come back home. Oh my God.
Robbie, we got him.
Oh my God.
Give me 5.
I'm playing this sick ass game.
We got him. Just tell him I got you, baby.
Oh. My baby smell like outside. You need to give her a bath.
You smell like outside, out there in the damn woods. You probably got ticks
like
and
butt.
fleas and shit.
She smell like butt. And that ain't because of the car.
Well,
Lily,
y'all.
stop playing. Don't include. Look,
I got her.
This shit's about us. This shit's about us. Don't bring my motherfucking babies in this. I don't bring my mind and Bryce in this.
Yes, you did. When you made Mama disappear. So I got you back. One up for me. Y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below.
Baby, you okay?